Tax compliance is basically the provision of information to Revenue and Customs in connection with your tax affairs. It impacts upon all taxes, for example, self-assessment tax returns for your income tax, or perhaps P11Ds for employee benefits. It's important to remain tax compliant, not only because it saves you tax, or ensures that the right amount of tax is paid, but also there's interest and penalties if the forms you have are submitted late or are incorrect. One of the best ways in which you can go about doing this is to remain mindful of the obligations that are placed upon you and be aware of the deadlines that you have coming up, and proactively try and gather the information that's going to be required well in advance of the deadline that you have to meet. A good way of doing this is to, perhaps for your income tax, have a cardboard folder, something like that you keep during the year. And when you incur expenses, perhaps on your rental property, or you have income like a dividend voucher come through the post, just pop them in the wallet as you go along. And when the tax year ends, you've got that information ready to pass on to your tax advisor in order to complete your tax return. This is a much better way than waiting till the deadline's almost upon you and then desperately trying to remember exactly what happened, what figures you received, and takes a lot of the stress out of your tax compliance obligations.